Still here on the I don't know what the hell the name of this hike is. Oh, Strickler Knob hike. On my way out. On the way in, it was this ridiculously difficult downhill. I mean, I'm sure it doesn't translate on camera, but we're going down that. And on the way down, I was like, man, this is after all that hike, which ended up being more like 5 miles as opposed to 4.3. After all that hike, just climbing back up, this thing at the end is going to be awful. And I had read the reviews on hikingupward.com, and nearly every review that I read said that it was brutal. And, you know, I'd like to think I'm in decent shape. I like to run. I like to do stupid stuff. I like to test myself. This is something completely different. I'm not even playing. This straight uphill walk is killing me. I thought it would be funny because you can go on hikingupward.com and it'll show you all the hikes in whatever area you want. It's got a little icon you click on, and you can sort them by difficulty. So I dragged it. It's 1 through 6, 6 being the hardest. I dragged it to 6 and there wasn't anything near us. Dropped it back down to 5, and I saw this one and it said it was 4.3 out, 4.3 back. That's not that bad, right? And then John was like, yeah, I'll do it. It sounds good. So we got up 6 a.m. this morning, rode our bikes out here. It was a great ride. Walked down this damn hill. Got up to the rocks from the other video, and it was great. On the way back, there was so much downhill just to get back to the to this point at the bottom of this hill. And you know, it kind of just beats you to death going downhill for 3 miles. And we took a break at the very bottom of this hill because we knew it was going to be ridiculously difficult. And took a break at the bottom of this hill, drank the rest of our water just to make sure that we were good to go on hydration, and decided to start climbing. And I'm not lying, this is probably the most difficult hill I've ever hiked up in my life. It's ridiculous. Every review said that it was brutal, and I think they understated it, because the rest of the hike is all right. It's good stuff. Basic, what you'd expect from any hike. But this climb out right here is awful. Awful. It's not fun. I reached my limit long ago. I'm not trying to find out how cool I am anymore. Just ready to get the hell to the top and lay down somewhere. Look at this shit. All right. If I die, put it in my obituary that I did this to myself. Out.